Good morning students, I am Xavier Leena Kalra and today I am going to discuss about hypersensitive reactions. Hypersensitivity is about classification is as Gell and Coombs classification. Components of hypersensitive reaction is type 1, 2, 3 and 4. Introduction to hypersensitivity. Typically, inflammatory response rid of the body of antigen and resolves the infection within days. In some cases, the inflammatory response can harmfully affect, even results in death. This type of reactions is called hypersensitivity or allergy. Hypersensitive reactions develop during the course of either humoral response or cell-mediated response. Those reactions initiated by antibody and antigen-antibody complexes are called immediate hypersensitivities. Those initiated by cell-mediated response is called delayed type hypersensitivity. Gell and Coombs classification is as follows: IgE mediated type 1st, IgG mediated type 2nd, immune complex mediated type 3rd and cell mediated, that is delayed type hypersensitivity, is type 4. This is how type 1st, type 2nd, type 3rd and type 4. Type 1st is IgE mediated, type 2nd is IgG mediated, type 3rd is immune complex mediated and type 4 is cell mediated hypersensitivity. Type 4 hypersensitivity, IgE mediated, antibody class produced is different than the normal primary response. IgE is produced versus an allergen that is not a parasite. IgE binds to mast cells or basophils that is sensitized second exposure to the allergen, cross-links IgE and triggers degranulation of mast cells or basophils. Effect may be systematic or localized depending. Type 1 hypersensitivity, that is an allergen comes, it binds with the B cell immunoglobulin and then with the help of Th cells interleukin 4 is secreted, then it's produced mammalian plasma cell. This is how the primary exposure is. When the second immune exposure takes place, then these two antibodies are bind, co-linked, then the degranulation of smooth muscle cells, small blood vessels and the other cells takes place. Hypersensitivity of first is allergen. IgE produced in response to parasites. Typically, atopic individual produce IgE versus common environmental antigens, genetic predispositions. More susceptible to hay fever, asthma, etc. Most reaction takes place on mucous membranes. Fourth is IgE. Pharmacologically active agent, substance released from the cell granules, substance act on nearby tissues or secondary effector cells. Substances, chemical mediators are characterized as either primary or secondary. Primary are the substance released from granules and the secondary are synthesized by activation or product of membrane destruction. Main bioeffects of histamine is decarboxylation of histidine, specific receptor H1, H2, H3 on target cell. H1 the permeability of BVs, the contraction of intestinobronchial, smooth muscles, mucus secretion, goblet cell, vacuum and vasodilation, separation of degran if bound to mast basophil, negative feedback. Leukotrienes and prostaglandins produced by P-lipid breakdown, longer lasting, more potent than histamine as effective chemicals. Promote further contraction of smooth muscles. Cytokines are various cytokines like IL-4, 5, 6, TNF-alpha released from the mast cells and basophils. They attract neutrophils and eosinophils. IgE produced from B cell. TNF may contribute to the systemic anaphylaxis. Type 1 response may be systemic or localized. Systemic response is anaphylaxis and localized response is atopy. Localized allergen response is allergic rhinitis, that is hay fever, asthma, early and late response, food allergy and atopic dermatitis, that is eczema. Treatment method, that is immunotherapy, antibody therapy, injected monoclonal anti-IgE antibody binds T and MIgE on B cells.